Dow. Let's talk about vocabulary. What does this mean? Today's word is a rift. Okay. Basically, a rift is a gap, a distance. If you're watching some sort of science fiction show, sci-fi, usually they're going to talk about it in space. I guess, a rift could be space as well. Let's not focus too much on the scientific usage about being technically correct. How does this apply to you when you're using everyday conversation? So this gap, this distance, is talking about in contrast to being close in terms of relationships. Maybe you used to be really close with your family. Maybe before a breakup, you were really close with this person. But the breakup went bad. There was cheating. There was a scandal. Maybe there was a big argument between your siblings or your parents even. And now things are cold. There's a rift. You don't communicate like you used to. So that expression I used before, it's cold. Yeah. Talking in terms of temperature, cold, icy, it's not warm because warm is friendly, right? This is just another way to talk about those terms. Instead of temperature, it's using distance. So the idea of being close, that's good. If you're close, you're on good terms. But if you're not so close, that's okay. That can be natural and common for some people. But if there's a gap, if there's distance, if there's a rift, that's not a good thing. It's always going to be considered negative. Okay? Again, keeping some distance. You want to have some boundaries. Maybe certain people at work you don't want to be too close with. That's okay. But if there's a rift, then that for sure is something negative. Okay? I don't have my buttons working still, but you know the drill. You found this helpful? Thumbs up. Not so helpful? Thumbs down. But also leave me a comment so I can know what was wrong or what was confusing and we can clarify it and help you better understand, okay? Share with your friends. You can always reach me on Twitter, COMMDAO, and make requests for future vocabulary. Calm down, let's talk.